Brew up a batch of delicious coffee chocolate chip cookies. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to be making some delicious coffee chocolate chip cookies. If you're a coffee and cookie lover, then this recipe is perfect for you. These cookies are easy to make and the perfect treat for any time of the day. So, grab your apron and let's get started. Ingredients: 2 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon instant coffee powder, 1 cup unsalted butter, at room temperature, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 3/4 cup brown sugar, 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 2 cups semi-sweet chocolate chips. Instructions: preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, salt, and instant coffee powder. In a separate large bowl, using an electric mixer, cream together the butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until light and fluffy. Beat in the eggs, one at a time, and then add the vanilla extract. Gradually mix in the dry ingredients until just combined. Fold in the chocolate chips. Using a cookie scoop or spoon, drop dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes, or until golden brown. Allow the cookies to cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it, delicious coffee chocolate chip cookies that are sure to satisfy your sweet tooth and caffeine cravings. We hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tasty treats like this. See you in the next video. Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.